So anytime you see a sequence question where you have to do something with terms, with a lot of the terms, there has to be some form of a pattern. And so the first thing to do here is to establish that pattern. And that means that I will try to find the first few terms and see where things go. So we'll apply the rule here to find the third term. N is 3. So this is 3 minus 3. So that becomes 0. So actually this will just be simply 0. And then we'll compute T4. So I'll keep doing this until I start to see a pattern. So 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1, T2. So that becomes 1/3, and T2 is minus 1. So T4 is minus 1/3. Then T5, you'll see, because T5, we're relating it to T3, and T3 is 0. So T5 will also be 0. T6, and that's why I think you see the even terms here. We really just need to focus on T2, T4, T6. All the odd terms will be 0. So T6 will be 6 minus 3, 6 minus 1, T4, which is 3 over 5, and then T4 is minus 1/3. You'll notice that drops out. It becomes minus 1/5. T7 is 0. T8 would be 8 minus 3 is 5, 7 of T6. T6 is minus 1/5. So you'll see that these numbers cancel out. We get minus 1/7. So we can start to see the pattern here. That means T10 will be minus 1/9. So it's just whatever the position is, it's one less here. So if I were to rewrite, because I'm interested in the reciprocal, 1 over T2 is minus 1. 1 over T4 is minus 3. 1 over T6, I should say, is minus 5. 1 over T8 is minus 7. So if I replace that here, this is the sum I need to find. These are negative consecutive odd integers. Minus 7. And then 1 over T2022 would be minus 2021. So minus 2021. And then finally that one would be minus 2023. So we need to add this. So the average of all these terms will be the average of the first and the last. It's an important result. I won't go over where this comes from right now. So that's minus 2024 over 2 minus 1012. Next, I need to count the number of terms, because the sum would be average times the number of terms. And to count the number of terms, it's the last term minus the first term, and that also comes again from arithmetic sequences, over the spacing, and it's the common difference, minus 5 minus 3, so that would be minus 2, plus 1, because that's just the number of gaps, and we have to kind of add 1 to that. So that becomes minus 20, so this would become plus 1, 2, 2, minus 2, minus drops out, 1011 plus 1, so 1012. So the sum would be minus 1012 times 1012. If you multiply this out, you will get exactly the answer, choice A.